Hey everyone, welcome back to the airSlate video guide with a new helpful tip on how to leverage automation in your day-to-day document workflows.
Is your organization's IT request process causing bottlenecks? Do you know the status of each request and how to move it along? Stay in the loop at every stage of your IT request workflow by managing and tracking assets with ease. Eliminate paper-based routines and automate data collection and processing while keeping employees and staff informed of status updates, upcoming policy updates, or new procedures. Use airSlate to deliver greater accuracy and transparency to IT operations without compromising them. Here are a few insights on using airSlate to optimize your processes so you can focus on strategic initiatives, not manual tasks. If you'd like to track every change in your workspace, use the airSlate Workspace Audit Trail to view the following information: type of activity that took place within your workspace, information about the user who performed an action, date and time when an action took place, information about attempts to log in and log out. To view the Workspace Audit Trail, navigate to the dashboard and click the Audit Trail icon in the left-hand menu. From the Audit Trail page, you can search for a specific type of activity or set a time frame to track workspace changes. To export all audit trail information in PDF or CSV format, click the Download button at the top. Let's see what else you can do with airSlate. First of all, there are two ways of automating your document workflows. You can either build your flow from scratch by clicking the Create New Flow button, or choose one of the pre-built flow templates. Browse the flow template collection from your dashboard and pick the one that meets your needs. Then, set up your specific documents, workflows, and bots. You start by adding or creating documents and web forms in your workflow. You can create them from scratch or upload documents from your computer or cloud storage. Customize the docs any way you want. Add fillable or signature fields, assign recipients to them, and make fields mandatory or optional, and more. Next, visualize your workflow. Drag and drop steps and name each one based on the role or responsibilities of those who will complete it. Manage document recipients, assign fields or entire documents to them, and add conditions for the step execution if necessary. Add branches if you need to send documents simultaneously to several recipients. Finally, automate your workflow by adding no-code bots. Use the bots to send reminders and notifications, pre-fill documents, transfer data, upload records to your CRM, and much more. If you want to use the flow more than once, you can make it a template. Just choose the Save As Template option when configuring your workflow. Once you set up your workflow, click Send so that the documents are completed by the right people. You can also send the documents via SMS, email, or create a shareable link to add them to your website. After your documents have been sent, use the airSlate dashboard to track their completion and all of the changes in your workflow. For example, you can see the status of your flow by opening the All Flows tab. Depending upon your role in the workspace and flow access permissions, you may have different options available. For example, you can download, send, and remove a specific document. View the bots log to check if the bots added to the workflow ran successfully, and if not, check the reason for failure. If you have any trouble using airSlate, go to the support portal or get help from our support team. Want to develop new skills and gain recognition? Click the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses.
Ready to save time and money? Then you need to click the link in the description and start your free 30-day trial of airSlate.